In this video, I'm going to show you how to install this radiator fan on this Volkswagen Beetle. Let's get into it. Underneath here, if you have any push tabs or clips, you want to disconnect those. This vehicle does not have it. It should be connected in these areas, so pull those out. Now we're going to take off the two bolts up top here on the bracket for the fan. This vehicle has 10mm bolts, so we'll use a 10mm socket. Normally you're going to have a T30 socket that you're going to need to take these bolts off with. So take that screw out and take the other one out. And take those screws out. Now we want to disconnect this connector right here, the one that's closer to the front of the car. You can try to get it out of the bracket, just slide it up. And you can see, you can push down on the tab, slide the connector out, just like that. This comes down. Pull the wiring harness out and take that screw out. Again, you're going to use a 10mm socket on this one. Normally you'd use a T30 socket. Take that screw out and grab the fan and very carefully slide it down and out. Now we're going to take these 3 nuts off. Use a 10mm socket. And take the wiring harness out. And this bracket will slide right off. Now take the bracket, slide the wiring harness through, get this to line up, just like that. You can slide the harness in the retainer right there. Put the 3 nuts on. And snug it down. Now put it back in the car. Now slide the fan in place. Just push back on the hoses a little bit. And take the screw, get that lined up. Get that started. Now with the holes lined up top, and you can snug this down. And line the wiring harness up where it came out. And take the connector, go through the bracket. If you can get this inside part lined up with the bracket, you can do that. And line this up and connect the connector. There you go, that's lined up. It's in place. Make sure the wires don't touch the other fan. good right there. Perfect. All right. Now we're gonna go up top. And now you want to put the bolts in up top, get those started. And put the other bolt in. All right, with those all in, then we can tighten that down. And just snug those down. Good. All right, those are tight.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.